A DevOps story, the village feast. Once upon a time, in a beautiful village, there were two groups of people, the farmers and the cooks. The farmers were the creative souls. They toiled day and night, planting new seeds of innovation, nurturing them with care, and harvesting bountiful crops of new features. The cooks, on the other hand, were the practical ones. They took the raw produce from the farmers and transformed it into delicious meals, ensuring that they were served hot and fresh for the villagers. However, there was a problem. The farmers and the cooks often worked in silos. The farmers would grow the best crops, but the cooks would struggle to prepare them on time. The cooks, in turn, would sometimes misinterpret the farmers' intentions. This all led to dishes that were far from the villagers' expectations. To solve this problem, the village elder, a wise old woman, suggested a new approach: DevOps. DevOps was like a grand feast where everyone worked together to create a delicious meal. The farmers and the cooks started collaborating closely. The farmers would share their plans with the cooks early on, and the cooks would provide feedback on what was feasible and what needed adjustments. They also adopted new tools and techniques to make their work streamlined. They used a shared cookbook to document their recipes and ensure consistency. They automated tasks like chopping vegetables, kneading dough, saving time and effort. With DevOps, the village feast became more frequent and more delicious. The villagers were delighted with the new dishes and the speed at which they were served. Farmers and cooks, once rivals, were now the best of friends, united by their shared goal of feeding the village. Both used tools as farmers continuously integrated their crops and cooks continuously delivered food to the village feast. Moral of the story: when the development and the operations teams work together, they can create amazing things. The farmers, the development team, and the cooks, the operations teams. By breaking down their silos, automating their processes, prioritizing collaboration, and so on and so forth, organizations can now deliver high-quality software faster and more efficiently.